Hello everyone, my name is Savin Kaiki, a student at Federation University, currently studying Masters of Technology, Enterprise System and Business Analytics course. So this is our last semester, and for this semester we are allocated to do a project. Our course name is ITECH-7415 Masters Project. For this we were given a project with its description, requirements, clients and everything. So for this, our project title is Cloud-Based Smart Door Lock System. So for this project, to accomplish it, our classmates were divided into different groups, in which our group is Project Group N. And for this, our project we were a group of 3 people: Savin Kaki, Chitish Damsar, and Prashant Shrestha. So I just want to give a brief project overview, the project name, and is it a new initiative. So the project started was 17th of March 2020, which is the start of our this semester, and project end date is 17th of June 2020, which is the end of our this semester. That means the total duration is 3 months. So talking about the stakeholders who were directly or indirectly connected to our project, Mr. Bilal Chaudhary, our project coordinator, Ms. Aisha is our project client, Dr. Mudabur Khan, our project supervisor, Dr. Mohsin Salemi, our project tutor, Sabin Karki, me as a team leader, Chitish Damsar and Prashant Shrestha as team member. So I just want to quickly go through the project description. So what actually we are doing in this project is fulfilling the requirements of our clients. For this, we need to know about the system that we are developing. So what type of systems that has been developed till now in the market. For this, we need to do a lot of research from different databases, such as our Federation University library, or from Google Scholar, or from different websites. So the objectives that are required by our client are like this, like system development, and that system which is capable of adding new users, or smart lock that has multifunction hardware setup, or smart lock with lockdown capability, also which includes pressure sensors. That means that our system is completely cloud-based, which works in cloud computing technology, along with which uses IoT devices such as smartphones. Smartphones in our case is to use the customized API that is in our requirement to recommend a customized API to remotely send commands like locking and unlocking attempts, also real-time data entry into cloud for that purpose, and also the sensors and all that. So including these, we can say that our system is composed of cloud computing technology along with the use of IoT devices. So in this modern era, everything is advancing, and this IoT devices has been like basic need of every people. So we have integrated that IoT devices with the smart door lock. That means providing security with using IoT devices. That means from your hand, from your smartphone, you can control everything, and you can protect your property using our system. So for this project, we worked equally, like our team members, each member were divided equal works, and everybody worked for like 4 to 5 hours each day, in which time period they were doing research, because as our course is research based, that means enterprise system and business analytics, we don't have to look after the implementation phase, rather than we have to look for the recommendation and this literature review and everything. So for that, we need to do extensive research through this every system that are available, or every proposed system through of different authors that has proposed different smart door locks. So for that, we downloaded, we researched for different articles from internet, from our library and everywhere. So after that, we prepared this project storyboard. For preparing this project storyboard, I was responsible to do the project product user stories part. Let's just have a quick look about this our project storyboard. It includes our project ID, title, client, project outline, and so start date, finish date, and stakeholders, which I already discussed with you. So talking about the user stories which I have prepared in this one is based on the description or requirements that were provided us by our clients. So user stories we prepared as per the requirements, and like as a user they want to have a system, smart door lock system that can add new users and subscription to family and multifunction hardware setup. They want pressure sensors in the system, so which is capable to trigger alarm in case of theft and all that. That is included in this one. So basically I was responsible to point out these user stories, and also I was responsible to point out our project scope. So our project scope is limited to just project scope was just limited to just the design phase, not the implementation phase. So we need to provide our client with a system architecture diagram, and after this we prepared a product backlog which will show us the way how we gonna this is actually the approach. So in this one I was responsible for writing down this product backlog. So after doing an extensive research, I found out who will be the users. So I categorize our users like owner, administrator, and authorized users, guest users. So these are the product backlog, and we also assigned this product backlog into sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3. So after this I was responsible to do this revised user story. So what I showed you in the project storyboard, after that we have to revise those user stories as per the sprint breakdown. So as we are using the agile methodology in our project, so we need to break down everything into sprint 1, sprint 2, and sprint 3, so that it will be easy to complete our project task. So for preparing this revised user story, I differentiated different panels, like for administrator, and this login panel for all the users. Also authorized users dashboard. So for this one is for our authorized users whose credentials are already stored in the cloud, like their biometrics, ID, password, and all that. And so these guest users are the persons who come to visit, or who come to your house as a worker for a certain time, like cleaning, electrician, and all that. So you can give access code to them, temporary access code with time limits, so for like 1 hour, 2 hours, or something like that. So this is for guest user dashboard. After that, I was also responsible, because I have better knowledge about this, how to play with the Excel sheet. So I was also responsible to prepare this Gantt chart, project Gantt chart. Let's just have a quick look about this our Gantt chart. So this is how our Gantt chart and Gantt table look like. So this is basically the project task breakdown. We divided our project into different project tasks, like team formation, project selection, to up to project write-up, which is the final product. That means our project write-up. For project write-up, I was responsible to include my work, which is product description, which is the main product we developed or we designed, let's say. So going to this system design, And this is how our system looks like. We used a microcontroller board. As I am from engineering background, I have better knowledge about this electronic components and all that. So I took this responsibility to design system architecture. So I used draw.io to design this system architecture, system model. So this is how our system model looks like. So the unique things that I have learned through this project or this period of time is team collaboration is always needed to accomplish a project. A single man can't handle every work, so we three people as a team collaborated to accomplish a project. So divided all the works equally, or worked equally, and after combining those or integrating those works, we finally we were finally able to accomplish the project, and also provide our client with this beautiful system design, and also provide our university with this report. And also the unique thing that I learned is the professionalism. So how thanks our university to giving this opportunity to do this project. And as we are new to our communicating with our client, communicating with our supervisor, it gives us a real time real life experience about how we conduct a project in a professional way. So how we communicate, how we accomplish the project, or how we fulfill the requirement of our customers, and how are we gonna deal with our clients, our supervisors. And for that we were conducting every week meetings with our clients, supervisors, telling them about our progress, and are they happy with our progress or not, talking about these things. Also submitting our works to them weekly, and getting the feedback, and working on that feedback is a new way of studying or talking about this. It eventually it prepared us to as a industrial experience. So it will help eventually to how we perform in our professional life. And also there were some constraints or advantages and disadvantages of doing this project course. So the thing that I like most about this course is the industrial experience that it gave to us, and the risk experience. So how it gonna improve is if we because we were allocated this smart roller project, which is actually a software engineering or electronic engineering project. So for that, and to improve this one, we need to just keep enterprise system students with just enterprise system project, rather than giving them with this electronic or something like that. Or we can mix up software engineering students and enterprise system students, so that they can collaborate to develop a system with that implementing a system, real-time working system, along with extensive research and everything. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.